Good health is not built in one day, it's built by small habits repeated every night. What if I told you there are simple natural gel people are using at night to control hunger, improve digestion, and support weight loss while they sleep? No gym hacks, no extreme dieting, just a quiet habit before bed. This ingredient is trending everywhere right now, gelatin. But does gelatin really help with weight loss at night, or is it just another internet trend? Stay with me because by the end of this video you will know what gelatin really is, how it works in the body, how to prepare it correctly, and how to use it safely for fat loss sport. What is gelatin? So first, what exactly is gelatin? Gelatin is a natural protein that comes from collagen-rich foods, especially bones. When collagen is slowly cooked, it turns into gelatin. That's why gelatin is naturally found in bone broth, slow-cooked soups, natural gel foods. Unlike many supplements, gelatin is real food, not a chemical product. And here's something important. Gelatin is easy to digest, especially at night, which is why it's gaining attention for weight loss routines. Quick question for you. Have you ever noticed how protein makes you feel full longer? Gelatin works in a similar way. Why gelatin is trending for weight loss? Let's talk about why gelatin is trending. Most people struggle with weight loss because of their night problems, late night cravings, poor digestion, bad sleep. Gelatin does not burn fat magically, but it supports the body system that helps with weight control. Here's how. Gelatin helps control hunger. Gelatin is high in protein and protein helps you feel full. When taken at night, it can reduce midnight snacking. Number 2. Gelatin supports gut health. A healthy gut helps your body process food better, which supports fat loss over time. Number 3. Gelatin supports better sleep. Better sleep, better hormone balance, and better hormones, easier weight management. This is why people say gelatin works while you sleep, not because it's magic, but because your body works better. Why use gelatin at night? Nighttime is when your body repairs itself, balance hormone, recovers from the day. If you eat heavy junk food at night, your body stays busy digesting, not recovering. Gelatin is light, easy to digest, filling. That make it a smart night option. Ask yourself, would you rather sleep hungry or sleep satisfied with something light and natural? How to prepare natural gelatin gel? Now let's get practical. Simple gelatin gel recipe. You need 1 cup warm water or bone broth, 1 teaspoon plain gelatin powder, no sugar, no flavor. Optional, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Add gelatin to warm liquid. Stir well until it dissolves. Let it cool for a few minutes. Once it thickens into gel, it's ready. This is your natural gelatin gel. Important, do not add sugar. Do not overeat. Keep it simple. How to use gelatin for weight loss? Here's the correct way to use it. Take 13-16 minutes before bed. Small portion, only 1 cup is enough. Use it 3-5 nights per week, not every single night. This is a sport habit, not a replacement for healthy meals, movement, hydration. Important reminder, gelatin supports weight loss. It does not replace discipline. How should avoid gelatin? Gelatin is natural, but it's not for everyone. Avoid or consult a professional if you are pregnant, have kidney issue, have allergies to gelatin. Listening to your body is always more important than following trends. Many people does not fail at weight loss because of food. They fail because of night habits. A small habit before sleep can decide craving or control, reset or restlessness. Something simple routines work better than complicated plans. Weight loss is not about punishment. It's about supporting your body, especially at night. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Try this routine for a few nights. Observe your body and decide what works for you. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone trying to lose weight, and subscribe to The Food Book for simple science-based food habits. Small habits at night create a big result over time.